The Mr. Excel podcast is sponsored by Hank's Pizza, home of the dollar slice. Microsoft is going all in on agent mode for Copilot in Excel. How do we find it? Microsoft is running this great 30-second Excel commercial on US TV. That's right, an Excel commercial about Hank, who has a pizza shop. I'll put a link to the YouTube video up there in the top right-hand corner. They are going all in on agent mode in Copilot. In fact, everything that you know and learned about Copilot for the last year is gone, right? The annoying little Copilot chiclet, gone. The settings, gone. All of that stuff been replaced by the amazing new agent mode. But the question is, how do we even find it? So I'm on the Home tab. On the Home tab, top right-hand corner, go to Copilot. This is not the Copilot that you know and loathe. This is something completely new that will not be able to write to your spreadsheet. To get to the good thing, the new thing, why do they hide it? I have no idea. Come to these two little sliders here that are called Tools and turn on Agent Mode. Now you'll see that I'm still using Frontier features. That's the fancy name for beta. Although I do have this amazing new thing here where I can choose Auto, either OpenAI or Anthropic Opus 4.5. That's a huge update. Now, this is in Frontier mode. Let's take a look at what it looks like in someone who's not in Frontier mode. This is funny. I have an older version of Excel here where we still have the Copilot choices. Those will be gone soon. We also still have the app skills. That's what's been deprecated and taken out. But here, we'll come here to Copilot, and same thing. Go to the sliders, go to Agent Mode, and we now have the same choices here, GPT 5.2 or Opus 4.5, or automatically select. All right, so Agent Mode hidden behind those two little sliders. Go figure. Hey, we'll be doing a big deep dive into Agent Mode here. I'm fascinated by this commercial. They gave us a lot of information. Hank said, Copilot, help me bring back the dollar slice. Make sense to my sales and costs and give me the best approach in a visual way so an old pizza guy like me can understand. From the menu board in the commercial, we can see his menu. We don't see the whole workbook, but hey, he uses tables, transactions, products and pricing, ingredients, labor. There's a management P&L, recipes, bill of material. And then Copilot added the dollar slice analysis here. He's losing money on every slice, but it works if 35% of the customers buy drinks. Train your staff to say, want a drink? And then run it during slow hours only and limit 2 per customer. And they manage to make money on dollar slices. Can Copilot really come up with this? My bet is that it can, given that data. If we could just get that data from Microsoft. What a fun thing to finally have an Excel commercial running on a TV for Hank's Pizza. And shout out to George Mount and Mark Proctor and others who are having a lot of fun analyzing whether or not Copilot Agent Mode can really get to this dashboard from the underlying data. Well, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.